Today we're making stress ball eggs. For this you will need balloons, 2 cups of flour and a bowl, a small funnel, scissors, a pen and a spoon. To start, pick a balloon to be the base color of your egg. Now using a funnel, fill the balloon with flour. The pen will help you to push the flour through the funnel as it tends to get stuck. Fill it up, but leave the neck empty so you can tie a knot in the balloon like this. A double knot will be best. Once you've tied off the balloon carefully, cut off the end of the balloon. Now you've made the main part of your stress ball. But we're now going to decorate and customize our stress ball using other balloons. So choose another colored balloon and then cut off the neck like so. Now we're going to cut out tiny holes in the balloon. We're pinching it like this to cut out little slits of the balloon, which will actually look like a circle when it's all stretched out. Once you've cut heaps of holes or any shapes you'd like, stretch this over the stress ball and cut off any excess balloon. Be careful not to pierce the one filled with flour. Next, with another pen, we're going to draw some dots around the stress ball egg to make it look more like an egg. Though you can design these any way you'd like. And that's it! We also made a few more. How cool are these? Enjoy the squishy fun! See you next time!